What's up, TBC? Welcome back to yet another video coming from your one and only Tough Build Customs. Now, before we start this video, guys, let's get ready for the giveaway. Guys, we hit 700 subscribers. Let's go! If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Leave a comment down in the section down below in this video. If you guys are the 700 that actually hit the subscribe button during the giveaway, I want you guys to go down in the comment section down below, type in hashtag TBC, so that way I know that you guys are qualified for this giveaway. If you guys want to continue winning cool stuff like this, the next giveaway will be one of the biggest bang bang boom boom shitty bang dang greatest giveaway on my channel. So if you guys have not smashed, make sure you do it. I'm gonna keep saying it till we get to 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome.
First thing you're going to need is a booklet or a pamphlet that will tell you the pressure in each cylinder. Second thing you're going to need is a compression tester. One ratchet, 8mm deep socket or small socket, 5/8 spark plug socket, long enough extension, a second ratchet, pliers. One soda, because you're going to need it, trust me. First thing that you guys are going to want to do is start your car up, get it to warm temperature, which is right there. It's at the temperature it needs to be at. You can hear it when the engine starts idling smoothly. You're gonna wanna go ahead and kill the motor and let her sit for 10 minutes. We're gonna come right back.
Here is the second part right here, guys. If you have a Mustang, if you don't, it don't matter. That's all you gotta do is find where your fuel pump is at. You can either do it this way, or you can disconnect your fuel relay, which is underneath your engine bay. You can turn off the fuel pumps. But if you have a Mustang, there's gonna be two little clips in here. Each side will have it. Push it in, pull up the seat. Don't let the seat fall back down, because then you'll be screwed. And you have to do it all over again. You're gonna do that to the other side, and then you're gonna pull this bottom seat out. Here is my fuel pump. This is what turns them on. Push on the tabs, bam, there it goes. Next thing that you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna go ahead and take your ratchet with your 8mm. We're gonna take off the boots. Now that your boots are unplugged, or out of the block, you can move on to your next step. You're gonna go ahead and grab your 5/8 socket or your spark plugs, your deep extension, your ratchet, and the pliers that you're gonna have. You're gonna start taking out each spark plug one by one until you hit the last cylinder. All spark plugs have been removed out of the block now. As you can tell, they're right there on my front side of my hood. You're gonna go ahead and grab your compression tester with the tube connected to it. If you guys are having a little bit of a trouble trying to get this on, you just push it in and push this guy downward. It will lock right in place. What we are doing, we're gonna test each cylinder. When I first bought my car, I had it cylinder tested for pressure, and they're all at 160. So I want to try to see if I can still see 160, or will it be under 160 for each cylinder. You want to make sure they're at least very close to each other and none of them are dropping down. If they are dropping down, you got a leak somewhere. It could be a ring, it could be a gasket, it could be a whole bunch of things. You want to grab the right extension. It's going to be for your car. Make sure you look at what the pattern is for yours. You're going to go ahead and screw this guy in. This right here is your release valve. So the minute that you're done checking the compression, you can just press that before you take off the hose. Without further ado, that's what we're going to do for the first cylinder. So the first cylinder is right here in the front. So this one goes right there, and it's going to get screwed down. And then we're going to go in the car and I'll show you how to do the rest. Okay, now that we have that gauge plugged in, we are inside the car. Now if you have a key, go ahead and put the key in the ignition. I'll teach you guys how to do this right now. If you have a push button start, push button starts, they will continue just to go and go and go and go until the car starts. This is what you got to do. You're going to hit that button. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press the brake, press the button, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come out here and we're going to check the compression. This one we are at 1
155. There it is. I hope you can see it.
Now we are looking at the results, guys. So now you can see that cylinder 1 is at 160, cylinder 2 is at 155, cylinder 3 155, and cylinder 4 at 160. So this is completely normal as long as it's not 10 to 15 below the number that it's supposed to be, which is 160. So if it's, let's say 160 is your first cylinder, this cylinder drops off at 145, and then this one goes 123, and then this one goes 110. That is a serious problem. That means it could be a ring in each one of these, or it could be a gasket. LED lights for your guys' car. These are H11s, so if you have an H11, you want to be a part of this giveaway, go ahead and shoot over, and you guys can go ahead and check out these nice LED headlights or fog lights if you want to use them for that purpose.
So at this point, you guys should know exactly what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side so you guys get notified when I do post a video. Let's try to get this video 1,000 likes. Don't forget to share this video with your family, your friends. Just give them a computer and tell them to share this video right now. And I want to give some props out to my sponsor. If you guys need brake pads, rotors, calipers in any segment, go ahead and check them out. Link will be down in the description down below. They are the best pads and rotors you guys can get. I've been writing on them for a long time now, and the video for that is going to be here on TBC. So make sure that you smash the subscribe button. By the way, guys, if it ain't tough, it's not worth building. My name is Chris. You guys were just watching Tough Builds. I'll see you guys on the next banger.